Okay student, this is the structure of negative: subject, then do not or does not, plus first form of the verb, and then object. First of all, we will see that we will use do not or does not with you can see here. Students, this is a table. Okay, just learn this table. If the sentence is started with I, we, you and they, we will choose the do not. Okay, and if the sentence is started with he, she and it, then we will write does not. Okay, so examples are she, because it started with she, so we will choose does not. She does not play cricket. As you know that with he, she and it we add s or es with the verb, so do is the verb. That's why we choose this one. She does not play cricket and they do not eat an apple. Then interrogative structure. What is the formula? Do or does will come in the first of the sentence, and then subject, then first form of the verb, and then object. So as we write the does because the subject is he. So as you know that with he, she and it we choose does. Okay, we use write es with the form of the verb. So do is the form of the verb and we add s or es with the verb. So does he play football, and in the end question mark. Next one is do you speak good German. Okay, because why we choose do, because it starts with you. Just learn this table, okay, so that you understand it quickly. And the third one is do they like the house. It started with they, so with they we will not add es with the form of the verb. Okay, here is this table of interrogative structure. So do I play, do you play, and do we play, do they play. Okay, with all these subjects we will write do, and with he, she and it you will write does. So does he play, does she play, and does it play. Okay students, do practice of this tense, and then I will take your test.